Hello guys, again welcome to the third section of Microsoft Word. In this video, I am going to explain insert tab of Microsoft Word. At the end, you will know all about insert tab. Hope to follow me up to the end and enjoy the tutorial. For more videos, subscribe the channel and like the video. In the previous video, I explained all about home tab, and now it's the time to explain insert tab. Here you can see insert tab, and this content are all about insert tab. So let's start from page. Click here and you can see cover page, blank page, and page break. Sometime you may need to have a template for your homework or for your document, and there are some templates that you can use them easily. How? Click here and here you can see more templates and scroll down. There are many different templates that you can use for your homework, for your assignment, for your document, and for everything that you want. And now I want to use this document, and I can change the document title, for example, homework. And here you can add your subtitle. Your subtitle can be anything about your homework. How? For example, I want to add there insert tab, and this is the name of your computer, the name that you give that to your computer, and here you can add the company name. Here you can add company address and select all. Again, come here, cover page, and save selection to cover page. Save this, and in which name do you want? For example, I want this by the name of Mohsini, and here you can add some description. For example, you can add my first homework, and then save this. Now you can see this template here. Scroll down, and it's the template that I have created. Here you can see homework, insert tab, is a Mohsini, company name and company address. And also you can see more and more cover pages here, but now I'm not online. I can see that. From here you can remove the current cover page. For example, I click that and there is no more templates. From here you can add blank page. How? Click here and I have another blank page. For the next one, let's have a paragraph. It's a paragraph, and I want this paragraph to break from here. I want this paragraphs should be in the first page after this, and this paragraph I want to be in the next page, it means the second page. And put your cursor here and come here and page break, select page break. Now you have the 1, 2, 3 paragraph here, and the next 2 paragraph here is for breaking the paragraph. Next is table. Now let's create a table. Click on the table, and from here you can select how many rows and how many columns do you want for your table. For example, I want 3 rows and 3 columns, and here you can see the table with 3 rows and 3 columns. Whenever you created a table, automatically the design tab will close open for you, and you can see this contents. For example, there are many designs that you can use for your table. For example, this design, or no, this design, and here are different designs that you can use for your table, and from here you can use shadowing and you can leave shade for your table. For example, I want this one, and from here you can select border for your table, and from here also you want to add a border to the bottom of the table, add border to the top, to the left, right, no border, all border, and you can put any border that you want. From here also you can border painter, you can paint border. For example, I want paint this border. Here you have painted a border, and again come to insert and click on table, and from here also you can insert a table or draw a table, and there are different ways that you can add table or draw a table for your content. Now let's see the next one, picture. For example, I don't want them, and come to here and click on the picture. You can add a picture on this page. For example, I want a picture from here, web. Here I have picture, I want to add this picture, and click insert. Now here you have this picture. Let's minimize it, and this is the picture. When you inserted a picture, here the format tab automatically open for you, and you can see here remove background. From here you can remove the background of the picture. Here is no background, and from here you can see the brightness for the picture. For example, I want this one or this one, the brightness, this one, and from here all you can give brightness for your picture, this one, and from here you can set the color for your picture, this color, or no, I want this color, and this all are colors that you can give for your picture. From here you can set effect for your picture, this effect, or no, this effect. These all are about pictures. From here you can compress the picture, and from here you can set the position of the picture. Where do you want to put this picture? From here you can wrap the text. For example, you want to wrap in the square, or no, in the type, or through top to bottom, and this are here you can see top to bottom, or no, I want to add it behind the text. This is added behind to my text. Here added behind to my text, or no, I want to try it like this, behind to my text, or no, in front to my text, the text height. And this all are these cases that you can use them. Now I want it through bring forward. From here you can bring forward if the picture is backward to the image, or bring front, bring forward. And these are the cases that you can use. Send to background, selection pan, align, and from here you can choose the weight and the height for the picture, resize from here. And these all are the cases that you can use for your pictures. Again, come here and click on the online picture. Whenever you are online, you can use a picture online. Now I'm not online, I can't use them. Here there is shapes. There are different shapes that you can use. For example, I want this shape, and draw that shape here. Again, whenever you choose a shape, the format tab open automatically for you, and from here you can select another shape. From here you can change the color, and this all are about the color. And from here, from text align, position, wrap the text, and like the previous one. Again, come here and shapes this one, and from here you can choose icons, and because I'm not online I can't choose the icons. 3D models also I can't use them because I'm not online. Smart arts, and these are the shapes mostly that these are used for mapping. For example, there are different types that we can use. For example, now I want to use this one, and here you can see, now is here you can add your text. Here you can add your text, and also here on, and here you can add your text, and it's like a mapping. And the next one is chart. From here you can use chart, and now here select your chart kind, which kind of chart do you want. For example, I want line, pie, bar, area, and these all are the types of chart that you want to use. For example, I want to use columns, and here the columns that I want to use, and then okay, here you can see the chart meant you can add the chart here. For example, I want it, let's change them. For example, 7, 7, 8, 3, and you can change all the categories, and see that how the table can be changed. Update now, and save it. Now the category 1 changed, and these are the categories of the charts. And here the design of the chart. How do you want this chart be? Labels, chart title, X is the title, and these are, and they are the quick layout. That which one do you want? This one, or no? I think this one is better. From here you can change the color. These are the colors that you can change. I want this color, and these are the designs, and also click and you can have more designs. From here you can select data. From here select series, first series, second series, third series, and 4 categories. If you want to edit the categories, you can edit from here, and then okay. And if you want to add another series, click here and name the series, and you can add more series. Edit the series. From here you can edit the series. Remove the series. From here you can choose the series and remove the series. And edit data. From here you can edit the data. Here you can edit the data. 7.3 you can put 2.2 like this, and so on. And chart type, from here also you can select another chart type. For example, I want this one, or no, I want this one, the histogram, and click OK. The chart changed. The next one is screenshot. This is for creating a screenshot. For example, I want to create a screenshot from my desktop. Here's the screenshot. Now the screenshot added here, and you can see the screenshot here. Control A, and delete all of them. Next one is Addins. From here you can add ins, but now I'm offline, I can't add ins from here. Click here and get add-ins or my add-ins. From here you can do that. And the next one is online video. From here you can add or find or insert online video, but now I can't because I'm offline. Now let's have some paragraph. For example 30 paragraph, and then enter. Now we have 30 paragraph. I want to choose this word or no, this word. I want to choose this word and click here link and then download. For example download, I want to say that whenever I click on the professionally word, then the download folder open for me, then okay. Now please press the shift and click on the personally, and here the download folder will open for you, and it's a link that I linked the download folder to the personally. Whenever I click to the personally, the download video will open for me. The next one is add bookmark. Here add the words, and these words will open for you. For example, let's see, I want to add this word here, video, and then add. The next word that I want to add, thems, add. The next one word, for example, reading, this one, reading, and add. The next word, document. Here I want to add document, and then add. Now come here and click to the bookmark and reading, go to, it will cross you to the go to, or click to the themes and it will bring you to the go to, or click to the video and go to again. Now close. And the last one is cross reference. How to add cross reference? For example, I want to have some, here I want to add a title, for example video. The next paragraph for audio. These are examples how to use cross reference. And this one, for example, photos. And select the videos. I want to change its style, go to home and this style, and also audio, this style, and also photos, again this style. Now I want to cross reference, to have cross reference. Here for example I want to click and come to insert link, cross reference. Here the video is selected, and from here you can select heading, bookmark, footnote, or end note. I want to select heading, and here they insert the reference to. Here also I want to add page number, and then insert, and then close. And here I want to add the next one. Come here and now audio, and here reference type is heading. Also insert reference to is page number, and then insert also page number to insert it. Now press the shift and then click here. You will see the video. Again come here and here, press Control and then click on that. You will see the audio, and you can do this for every titles that you have, and it will be so easy for you to find your title or to reference the titles. Now come to header, footer and page number. Here you can see header, footer and also page number. Sometimes you may need to have header to your page. From here you can add header. Click here and you can see different templates for header, and you can use any of them. From here more headers from office.com. From here you can add more headers. From here you can add edit your header and also remove your header. For example, I want to have this template for my header. Click here and you can see this. The title is homework, or you can change the title as well, and then click here if this is your header. And sometimes you don't want this header. If you don't want to have this header on your page, click here and come to header and remove header. The next one is footer. For footer also you have different templates for footer that you can use, and also from here you can have more footers for your document. From here you can edit the footer, and also from here you can remove the footer. And there are different templates for footer. For example, I want to use this footer, and you can see at the end of this page, and these are the footers, and you can change here that from page number 1 or no page number 2 like this, and you can add there more informations. And sometimes you don't want footer, so come in to insert and footer and click remove footer, and there will not be any footer. And this was about header and footer. Now come to page number. Page number is giving number to your page. How? Top of page. Do you want to have the page number to the top of the page? And these are the templates for the page numbering. At the top to the left, and this one is the top to the center, this one is top to the right, and these are the templates. For example, I want to have this one is the second page, and then page number is added here, the second one is added here, first one is added here. Or no, you want to more page number, bottom to bottom of the page. For example, bottom of the page, I want to add this one. This is the end of the page, and page number added to the center. And these are the different ways that you can add page number to your page. The next one is text box. You can have a text box in anywhere that you want in your web page. For example, which text box do you want to use? There are different types of text box. From here you can have more text boxes, and from here you can draw your own text boxes. Now I want to have one of these text boxes. For example, I want to have this one, and you can move it anywhere that you want. And I want this to be here, and you can change the location, and And now you can change, select this and change, you can change the color, effect, and anything that you want. And this is a text box. From here you can add auto, text auto, document properties, abstract field, and these are. Let's see, select the text box, and from here you can select this one. For example, I want this, or no, document property, category. For example, you want to company email address, you can add here. And these are the another settings that you can do for them. For example, for text, select there and you can choose this one, this effects for you, the text inside the text box. From here you can add signature surveys. From here you can add time, available formats for times. For example, 5th 6th 2020. Language, you can select the language and then click OK. From here you can add object or text from the file. And the last one is symbols. Click here and you can see equation and symbol. Click on the equation and here you can see different formulas, and scroll down. These are the formulas. From here you can add or you can have more equation. From here you can insert new equation, and from here you can ink equation. For example, I want this equation, and this is the equation, but sometimes you need to add this equation, and also you can add from here. For example, just 2 or 2a b, 2a and b. Of course it's wrong, but it's not good to change the equation which are added before. Or you can write equation that you want as well and come to insert here, and from here you can insert equation. Now you can insert any equation that you want. The next one is symbol, and click on the symbol. You can see different symbols if you want to use them in your text. From here you can see more symbols, and these are the other symbols that you can have, and these are the special characters, m dash, n dash, and these are more symbols that you can have, and here you can see the shortcut for that. And this was all about Insert tab of Microsoft Office. Hope to enjoy this tutorial. Thanks for watching.